Kinder Kids.
Fire engine truck. Fire engine trucks are important because they transport brave firefighters in water to help them put out a fire of any size. Sometimes they have long ladders to reach high buildings, and sometimes they're so big that they need 2 drivers. Tractor truck. Tractor trucks are powerful vehicles with very large back wheels. You see these trucks on farms for hauling heavy equipment and trailers. Excavator truck. Excavator trucks are large machines for removing soil from the ground. Construction workers use them when they build small and large buildings, roads, and more. Cement truck. Cement trucks are used when large areas of concrete are needed for driveways, sidewalks, and more. They have rotating drums to mix cement with sand, gravel, and water, and then they have a spout so it can easily be poured into place. Water truck. Water trucks are special vehicles to transport water or other liquids in large quantities to other places. They can be used on farms to water crops, to compact soil for safe construction, transport water to rural areas when fighting fires, or hauling safe drinking water to those in need. Dump truck. Dump trucks transport large amounts of building materials to and from locations. The back of the truck lifts up so all the contents are dumped onto the ground. Construction workers and farmers use them to bring dirt, soil, and other bulk materials to a worksite. In addition, they're also used to take large amounts of demolition debris to be disposed of away from a worksite. Trash truck. Trash trucks are used to take trash from people's homes and other buildings to the trash dump. Some of these trucks have special claws on the side to grab the trash can and lift it to the top of the truck to dispose of the trash. The truck then drives to the trash dump and discards the trash. These trucks and workers are highly valued and keep neighborhoods clean. Tow truck. Tow trucks are used when a car breaks down and needs to be transported to a mechanic or home to be fixed. They're very important when cleaning an accident site or safely moving a vehicle out of traffic when it no longer works. Car hauler trailer truck. Car hauler trailer trucks are used when a lot of cars needs to be transported to another place like a car dealership or even a dump site. Police truck. Police trucks are used by brave police officers when they go to a location and need to carry extra gear or tools that they don't use very often. They can often go off-roading to reach people in need in hard-to-reach places, or to tow large objects out of the way to keep people safe.